Hi, I am Yogesh Guthe. Today's non-technical point is woman empowerment in several ways, including accepting women's viewpoint, making an effort to see them, and raising the status of women throughout education, awareness, literacy, and training. Women empowerment uh, equips and allow women to make life determining decisions throughout the different social problems. They may have the opportunity to redefine gender roles or other such roles, which allow them more freedom to pursue desired goals. Now, economic empowerment allow women to control and benefit from resources, access, and income. It also adds to ability to manage risk and improve women well-being. Now, while obtain interchangeability used, the more comprehensive concept of gender empowerment concerns people of any gender, stressing the distinction between biological and gender as a role. Women empowerment helps boost women's status throughout literacy, education, training, and awareness creation. Furthermore, women's empowerment refers to women's ability to make strategic life choices that were previously defined them. Now, nations, business, communities, and groups may benefit from implementing programs and policies that adopt the nation of female empowerment. Now, female empowerment enhances the quality and the quantity of human resources available for development. Empowerment is one of the main procedure concern when addressing human rights and developments. Now, women's empowerment is a key to economic and social outcomes. Benefits from projects that empower women are higher than those that just mainstream gender. More than half of bilateral finance for agriculture and rural development already mainstreams gender, but only 6% traits gender are fundamental. If half of small-scale procedures benefited from development intervention that focused on empowering women, it would significantly raise the income of an additional 58 million people and increase the rising of additional 200 million people. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, increasing women's empowerment is essential for women's well-being and has a positive impact on agricultural productions, food security, diets, and child nutrition. Women empowerment is the need of the hour, because it is high time we evolve and credit the women for their contribution and help them grow. Women empowerment can be referred to as quality or free from discrimination. There should not be a set nation that girls cannot play certain sports like basketball because it's a man game, which is a very regressive and wrong. There are so many women who are reduced to just being fit to work in a kitchen and not outside homes. These gender defined roles are so narrow minded and do not comply with modern times, where women are actually doing equally and better than men. The pay gap because of gender is also problematic and is no way informing anyone, especially the women of the society. We have to be a broad-minded and accept women as our equal and not someone subversive. If anything, women are selfless by heart and wiser in nature and stronger because of the experiences they have. When women are treated with respect and equality and paid deservedly, they lift up economics. Giving an education in the right start, it will make them independent and self-sufficient and an opinion to voice about their own view which are improving. This is the women empowerment. Thank you.